How to log in Huntington Bank Online Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Huntington Bank Online Account. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to huntington.com. Once you land on this website, you want to tap on the profile icon. Now here you want to select the type of account you want to log into. If it is personal or business, then you want to enter your username and password here. So go ahead and tap on the first box and enter your username. Then tap on the second box and enter your password. After you have entered all the details, tap on the login option. Tap on the login option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you have the links over here that says forgot username or forgot password. You can tap on these links in order to retrieve your username or reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.